What if I told you that the F-150 Lightning is back? Well, you're probably going to think to yourself, well, Javi, the F-150 has been back. Yeah, but we got the electrical one, not the one that everyone was expecting. Definitely not this one from the Fast and the Furious scene that we all fell in love with. By the way, I go way back when it comes to automotive cars, way before the Fast and the Furious. Anyways, we're going to get into it because the F-150 is back. Ford announced it. It is a surprise. It's what everyone has been wanting, and I'm going to cover it all. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are rocking with the content, remember to smash that thumbs up and the subscribe for your boy. We are almost at 15,000 subscribers. Would never imagine we would get here. In the grand scheme of things, it's a small YouTube channel. In the huge world of YouTube, but 15,000 is a huge mark for me, and I love you guys from the bottom of my heart for supporting it. So what is going on, guys? SEMA is just around the corner. We all know it. It's next week. Ford is debuting a custom garage package, or let me better phrase it, it's called the Ford Custom Garage Program. And the F-150 is back, the real Lightning, this one that we see up here, the one that every American muscle guy car fell in love with, the original F-150. Well, for SEMA, in the Ford booth, because Ford is obviously going to SEMA like every other company out there, Nissan, Chevy, and all these other companies. They're going out there with their trucks. They're going to show what's coming for the near future. And in the booth, we're going to be able to see this amazing concept, which is the F-150 SuperCharged Lighting that you're going to be able to get through Ford's Custom Garage Program with warranty. And we're going to get into it. So Ford will offer numerous factory packages and accessory parts due on by the Ford Custom Garage package from the Ford Custom Garage Program. All these things are going to be offered, which is going to be a bunch of accessories you can add to your vehicle, a bunch of new packages, and they're all going to come with warranty. And one of those will be a 700 horsepower upgrade for the F-150, which is backed by full warranty when installed by the dealer. The F-150 concept, which is the FP700S, is one of the several vehicles on display at the Ford booth this year at the SEMA show, and we're going to get into the article. So showcasing this package is a project truck called the F-150 FPS 700S. It follows the classic muscle car formula by taking a humble everyday F-150 XL and dropping in the 5.0 Coyote motor liter V8 and gets a supercharge and a bunch of components which bumps it to 700 horsepower and 590 feet-pound of torque. Now, the package will include a new catback exhaust, fender vent kit, lowering spring, and all of that goes solely to the rear wheels of the vehicle. It's a rear wheel drive vehicle. It's not an all-wheel drive. If you want an all-wheel drive, you're gonna have to get the Raptor, but that's a whole nother thing. That's a whole nother category. So new times are here when it comes to the future. Yes, we don't want to see the Hemi die. We don't want to see all these other vehicles and all these great engines come to die, but Ford is stepping up to the plate. So, and we continue, the price isn't available yet, and Ford isn't quite ready to sell this package just yet, but it promises it will come to dealers later in the near future, very near future, 2025, when I might add. Unfortunately, you can't buy the other Ford street trucks on display at SEMA this year, but Ford Performance worked with different companies to bring different trucks. But the Ford Custom Garage, where you're going to be able to get a bunch of factory pack parts and accessories through the Ford Custom Garage, will be available in the near year. Now, the program launches with some simple Bronco upgrades, with some simple Bronco accessories and packages, and most likely for the Bronco, it's going to be largely aesthetically. But the interesting one, it's going to be the Ford F-150. Let's get into some pictures here. We're going to look at this one. This is the back part of the vehicle. We see that it's just your regular single cab XL. We obviously see the decals on the sides that say FP700S. The big F-150 on the back has like this like tannish type color. If we look at this picture from the top of the hood, we see the big decals on the side, FP700S. We have the picture of the supercharger here that looks pretty cool. You know, one thing I might add is that this Coyote motor is here to stay and is here for the win. I am in love with this Coyote motor. It is an amazing motor. It's reliable. It packs a lot of power. It packs a lot of horsepower. We can see that the supercharger here right up top looks very good. This is the vent kits that they talk about, and you actually see the F-150 Ford performance. Now, one of the things that I like is that when you go inside the dash, right under the AC vent, you're gonna be able to see the FP700S decal there, and that's actually pretty cool. One of the facts for me that grabs away is that it's a single cab XL, which is the one of the lightest model. And if you put a 700 horsepower in it with 590 feet-pound of torque and a supercharged kit with a 5.0 liter, you are flying. Prices, again, are not available yet, but it will come in the near future. It has been confirmed that no later than 2025, you're going to be able to get this. And get this, guys, how I repeat myself over and over again, because I am so excited for this F-150 Lightning. 700 horsepower, 590 feet-pound of torque with warranty. I can't wait to hear you guys in the comment. Let me know what you think. If you guys are rocking with the content, remember to smash that thumbs up and the subscribe. Your boy is out of here.